Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today what we're going to be doing is a little bit different to what I normally do. We're going to be doing an unboxing. I recently bought a new camera so that all my content is going to be created on this instead of my phone, which I've been recording on as of recently. The thing is, I've been having a bit of issues with the actual transfer of the video file. If you are going from an iPhone to a Windows laptop like what I do, the transfer isn't as smooth as what it should be. So I use Filmic Pro on my phone and then I use Filmora on my laptop. And it would take me a while to kind of go back and forth and try and change the format of the video, trying to find the video. It was a lot of work that was on top of then editing. So what I bought was the Canon Powershot Sx740, and I also got a memory card with it as well. The memory card did come separately though. I did buy that separate, but it was on offer, I think. I don't remember how much it was, but it was like half price. So I got the ScanDisk Ultra SDXC card, which is the 128GB one. And then there's like a lot of cardboard. And this is the camera. This is my first time opening this as well. I've been sick for 2 weeks. I've had the camera for 2 weeks. And I promised myself I wouldn't open it until I'd done the unboxing. I only opened this box just to make sure that the right camera had been sent, just in case. So I'm really excited. So we got like the book, like the big old book. Look how thick that is. The battery. Oh, the battery's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Power lead thingy for the battery to go in. This is the little tie, I think, that goes around your wrist, which is something that I would definitely need because I'm a clumsy bitch and I drop shit all the time. And this is the camera. So it's really similar to the GX740. It's got the flip up screen and things like that. So this is what I actually was looking for with the camera. I wanted it to have the flip up screen. Eventually I will vlog more. This is a great vlog camera. It turns to me so I can see what is going on in the viewfinder, which is there. Right, it's a little bit weightier than what I thought it would be, to be honest, but all in all it seems absolutely gorgeous. I do know that they have the facility on this camera to send it through to your phone as well. So I'm going to be doing weekly videos on my channel. So I'm going to do a haul for next week. It was supposed to be one just after Christmas for like New Year, but because I've been out, it's kind of more like a Valentine's Day date night kind of outfit haul. So that's it for this little unboxing. I mean, it was quite quick, short and sweet. If you've got any other video ideas that you want me to do, then just let me know. Leave a little comment down below. I will also link this camera in the description box down below, just so you can have a little look at it if you want to. If you enjoyed my little unboxing video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because there will be a lot more content coming. As you know, I'm not too well at the moment, but I'm sure in the next week or so we will definitely be back on track. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.